Good afternoon, watchers of my video. Today's Thursday. We are gonna go to the beach and have a picnic and eat this place that we saw on TikTok. And yeah, y'all gonna see what we're doing today. Alright y'all, we're at Ralph's and we're about to get snacks and fruit and stuff. Sure are. So we can eat it on the beach and look cute and mysterious. It girl vibes. Let's go. You hear the crunch? Yeah. Do not support Driscolls. They don't pay their workers a livable wage. And they have unfair and harsh working conditions. And all their workers are undocumented, so they're unprotected. And so they abuse them. Boycott Driscolls. This looks satisfying as hell. This looks like the one that people be having photo shoots in. No, for real. Mama, if you watching this, she calls world market cost. You didn't need to tell your mother that. What? They don't have guacamole here, so we're gonna go to Sprouts across the street and get some guac there. Spicy? Yes. Also, this is my first time eating Sprouts. I'm a granola kid. Yes. From Sonoma, actually. It smells really good. Somebody just saw us and just said black Indians. What? Okay, now I'm pretty sure we're headed to the beach now, right? Headed to the beach. We're here, y'all. Special chips, spicy guacamole to go with that. Strawberries for fruit. Watermelon for options, you know, diversity. And if that wasn't enough, we have cantaloupe. Yes. Slices. Banana chips. If you need a pairing, yeah, we have baby bell cheese. Yes. Salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. From Sprouts. And big tea. Sweet tea. And then she also recommended this shaka tea from Hawaii. You can get it at Cost Plus World Market. Or at Ralph's if your Ralph is fancy. Yeah, that's all we have for y'all. Or for us. Y'all in it. Okay, wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Real quick. Ready? So cute. Quick taste test for y'all with the hint of lime. It is very good. I see why kids fight over these. Now it's spicy guac. It's not spicy. Not for real. It's not spicy, but you can taste like the jalapeno. You know what I mean? 10 out of 10, y'all should try it. I just had an idea. Eat the chip with the guac. Eat it. Don't eat it all the way. Maybe get some watermelon or strawberry, like right after. Food explosion ratatouille. Yum. That is fantastic. We're done, y'all. My hair is fucked up because of the wind, but you know what? It's fine. We'll fix it in the car. We had a great time here, and we'll be back again. Alright y'all, we're going to Miniso now in this mall. We're still in Redondo Beach, but we're killing time to wait on traffic and time just to do stuff. And then we're gonna go get that food place that we found on TikTok. So I'm We're gonna go look at stuffed animals right now.
Yeah, you guys will see. They're so cute. She got me one for Christmas, and I sleep with her every night. So she. Don't mind if I do. We're in Urban Outfitters, change of plans. I already was looking for something for a black market flea. Perfect.
Are you still doing okay? Yeah. Just so you know, we are closed. Oh, you are?
Oh.
Okay, fast. Sorry.
Okay.
No worries. Okay, Jan.
Hold on, loose, don't grip me so tight.
Oh my
I
God.
got no wings to fly, but the spirit's taking flight. So tonight we'll
I don't fucking way. That is so funny. She's sick. This is Gunna. This is Thugger. And they're besties / siblings. Okay, we're looking up everything.
You put it like here, and then you.
Okay, I'm trying the Mexican Coke now. This tastes like Pepsi. I gotta get